How to use SmartSheet for project management. Hello guys and welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you a tutorial of smartsheet.com and how you can use it for your project management needs. So let's get into the video. So first of all, what you need to do is you have to open smartsheet.com. For that you can just go on directly and type smartsheet.com onto your URL bar, or you can just continue by typing it in Google and searching it, and you're going to get the first website that comes is going to be SmartSheet. So you can open that and this is going to be your main home page. So you can see that SmartSheet is a modern work management solution. It is a pioneer new ways of working with consistency, scale, and ease on a secure modern work management platform that you can trust. So SmartSheet is flexible solutions. It is going to fit your work at any scale. You have a platform. You can work better at scale. You have your modern PPM project management. You have your marketing and creative team, and you have a strategic transformation as well. You can do it with a SmartSheet. You can drive growth and impact. We work the way you do. You can connect different kind of apps, all the one that you're seeing here, and you can see all these integrations. You have Slack, you have Trello, you have Asana, you have Google Drive, etc. It is trusted by experts. You can see their clients testimonials, and we get it, etc. So SmartSheet is a really good, it looks like a really promising platform. So you can just go on and continue with that. Why SmartSheet? You can see, and you have your products, enterprise resources, pricing, contact, and you can also watch a demo of how you can use SmartSheet. So I'm just going to continue by starting with signing in. So for signing it's easy. You can just go on and click on try SmartSheet for free from here, or from here they are going to basically take you to the same place. So I'm just going to click on this try SmartSheet for free, and I'm going to see what does it has next for me. So get started, no credit card is required. Okay, so I have to enter in my email and then I have to continue. Okay, so now I have to add in all of these details. I have to add my first name, last name, phone number, job title, and my company size. So let me just quickly fill all of these in, and then I'll show you guys the next step. So here you can see that this is the main dashboard of SmartSheet. So first of all, I have an option to create grid, Gantt, project assistant. I have a form, task list, cards, and there are some other things that I can create with it as well. I have a dashboard, portal, and report. So I'm just going to, I want to have a project assistant because this is what I want to work on, and I want to use SmartSheet as project management, but I'll go on this later because I think this is available for the paid version of it, because you can see this small bulb sign on it. You are not currently on the paid plan. Upgrade your account to paid plan to create your own reports. So obviously, but we can also work with these things to create a project management platform as and use a SmartSheet as project management platform. So I'll show you guys later. First of all, let me walk you through the menu right on the sidebar. You have a home, you have notifications, you have browse, you have recents, you have favorites, then you have your workspaces, you have a solution center, and you have a launcher and help and your own account. So you can see that you can create, we are currently on the solution center. You can create different things, or you can import from anywhere else if you want to. You can browse all solutions you have recently added. You have clients and customers, finance and accountant, general management. You have human resources, IT, marketing, product development, project sales, and more. So let's go on to general management, and you can see in general management you have all of these templates. You have this roadmap with waterline, you have work down structure, you have team travel management, pop quiz, quantity based earned value, you have template sets as well. So you can just go on and select any one of these and you can start working on that. And if we go on to product development, you're going to see there are some other that you can use. You have customer feedback form, you have enhancement requests, and you have your template sets, Lean Six Sigma. And if you go on to projects, you have project management office, you have individual task management, you have projects, and you have agile project with Gantt, project budget, annual calendar, construction facilities, the project management office. I'm just going to continue with this project management office right now. It is a template set, and it is going to basically help you to get your approval on the things. It is going to help you by giving a track of your projects. You can report on multiple projects in one place. I'm just going to continue with this add-on and contact us, etc. So let's go on here, and I'm going to continue by using this, learn more. Okay, so this is a template set that you can download and you can work on. It is very easy. You can see that it is intermediate, medium. Scroll to download. Let's see what's included, and for a step-by-step guide, everything is here. So you can continue with this if you want to download it. But going back, you can see that you can create anything that you want. I'm just going to click on create, and then I'm going to show you guys. For example, if we are working on project management, then I'm going to create a task list, or I can also create a grid. It is up to me. I'm just going to create the card. It is going to manage your own projects, design forms, and create reports. I'm going to continue. Okay, so the name of your sheet is going to be test, because this is just for the sake of this video. I'm going to click on OK. Okay, so the next thing is basically the card view has been enabled for me, and now I can go on and start adding different tasks in it. So everything that you want to have is task sheet. You can see that you can go on to your browse and you can see select everything that you want. You can structure your information, you can create your role relationships, and you can also same information different use. I'm just going to cross this whole this, and you can see. Okay, so now first of all I have a backlog. If I want to create a task into it, I'm just going to click on, let's say, sample task or something like that, sample, and I'm going to click on add. So this has been added as a task, and now if I want to edit the task, and if I want to add a subtask to it, I can just go on and add it right here. Or there is an option to add more, like an insert above, insert below, edit, delete, lock, move to another sheet, copy to another sheet, etc. So if I want to move this sample to another sheet, I can just go on, drag it and drop it into planning if I think that the sample is being planned on. Then if I want to change it into the progress bar, I can just go on and drag it, drop it into the progress, saying that it is being worked on. And if it is completed, I can just go on and add completed. If I want to add the lane, I just have to click on this option and I can add a new lane if I want to. Then I have a couple of options here as well. I have conversations, I have attachments, I have proofs, I have brand folder, I have update requests, a publish, and activity log and summary. So if you want to see the activity around your whole workspace, you can just go on and open your activity log, and you can see that what has been happening: sheet viewed, sheet created. So this is what I have done right now. The action 0 selected, and collaborators, create filters and apply. So you can just go on and apply the filters if you want to find something out of it, but I don't, so I'm just going to click on close right now. So this is view by status. If you want to change the view, you can just go on like view by size, view by priority, assign to edit lanes, etc. And this is a level 1 top level cards, and this is a card view. If you want to change it to Gantt view, you can just go on and do that. So I cannot change it to Gantt view because my sheet doesn't even have any calendar or anything. If I want to change it to grid view, so here you can see that it has been changed into grid, and the title sample is available, and the status is completed, the description is none, other the attachments are done. So the size, priority, assigned to all, everything is null right now. You can add all of these details, and maintaining everything is going to be so easy. So your automations are going to be here: create a workflow from automation and create workflow from scratch. So you can create different workflows. I'm just going to create a workflow from a template that has been pre-designed, so because it is going to be easy for me. So here you can see that alert someone when specified criteria are met, remind someone on a specific date, move to a row to another sheet when specified criteria are met. So you can create all of these workflows and automations from these templates, and whenever like for example in this one, whenever a row to another, and whenever a specific criteria is met for a task, like for example when a task is is in progress and it is completed, it will be moved to the row that says which that will be have the title of completed, and you will be notified that it has been moved to completed because it was done. So this is how the automations work, and they make everything easier for you to manage. You don't have to go on separately and keep a look at everything all the time. So you have your forms right here. You can create a form from this option. The form is going to be, you can, if you have some kind of survey you need to get done by your teammates, or if it's something that you need to get fulfilled by your clients, or if it is something, a new project that you're working on, you can create a form on SmartSheet as well. You can copy the link and you can give it to your teammates, or you can have it filled by your customers as well. So you can see that you have your form title, description, status, done, etc. So you can basically create a form from all of these options available here. So this was it for today's video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. Please give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to Softwares Made Easy. Thank you so much.